What if I told you there's a country sitting between Europe and Asia where you can start a company in just a few days, enjoy relatively low taxes, and tap into a growing regional economy that most entrepreneurs completely ignore? Sounds like one of those too good to be true situations, right? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They focus only on the big, crowded markets, places where competition is brutal and costs are high. But the surprising truth about Azerbaijan is this: it's quietly building a business-friendly environment, especially for entrepreneurs who are willing to look beyond the obvious. And yet, almost nobody is paying attention. But here's the problem. Even though the system is improving fast, if you don't understand the process, you can easily get stuck, delayed, or confused. So in this video, we're going to break down exactly how to register an LLC in Azerbaijan, step by step, through a real story, so by the end, you'll know not just how to do it, but whether it's actually the right move for you. Let's start with a story. Meet Chris. Chris runs an online services business in the US. He works with clients from Europe, the Middle East, and Asia. Business is growing, but there's one issue. He feels stuck in a crowded system, high competition, rising costs, and complicated structures. So he starts looking for alternatives, not the obvious ones, something different. That's when he comes across Azerbaijan. At first, he's skeptical. A country I've barely heard of for business? But then he sees something interesting. Fast company registration, low setup costs, strategic location. Now he's curious. And curiosity leads to action, because sometimes the best opportunities are the ones no one is talking about. Now, before we follow Chris further, let's understand what an LLC in Azerbaijan actually is. In Azerbaijan, an LLC is called a limited liability company, often referred to locally as an MMC. And here's why it matters. It provides limited liability protection. That means your personal assets are generally separate from your business. Simple, but essential. Now here's where things get interesting. Azerbaijan allows full foreign ownership of companies. Yes, you can own 100% of your business, no local partner required. And that's a huge advantage. But here's the catch. Even though it's simple on paper, you still need to follow the process carefully. And this is where most people make mistakes. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Choosing your company name. Sounds easy, but here's the problem. Your company name must be unique and approved by the authorities. And here's the surprising truth. If your name is too similar to an existing company, it will be rejected. So Chris prepares multiple name options because smart entrepreneurs don't rely on one idea. They prepare for friction. Now you need step 2. Defining your business activity. This step is more important than most people realize. Your business activity determines your legal scope and tax obligations. Chris initially writes something broad like online services, but here's the problem. That's too vague, so he refines it. Digital consulting and online marketing services. Clear, specific, professional. And that clarity helps avoid issues later. Now, step 3. Preparing your documents. This is where things become real. To register an LLC in Azerbaijan, you typically need a passport copy, application forms, company charter documents, details of shareholders and directors, registered office address. And here's what surprises most people. The documentation process is relatively straightforward compared to many countries. But here's the catch. Everything must be accurate, because even small errors can delay approval. Chris double-checks everything because he understands something important. Accuracy saves time. Now step 4. Company registration. In Azerbaijan, business registration is handled by the State Tax Service. And here's where Azerbaijan stands out. The process is fast and increasingly digital. In many cases, registration can be completed within a few days, sometimes even faster. Chris submits his application, and honestly, he expects delays because that's what he's used to. But then something unexpected happens. His company is approved quickly, and in that moment, everything changes because now he officially owns a company in Azerbaijan. Now step 5, obtaining a tax identification number. Once your company is registered, it automatically receives a tax ID. And this is where things become official, because now your company can operate legally, issue invoices, pay taxes. But here's where many people get confused. They think this is the final step. It's not. Now, step 6, opening a business bank account. This step is essential because without it, your company cannot function properly. And here's the surprising truth. Opening a bank account in Azerbaijan is relatively straightforward, but it still requires proper documentation. In some cases, you may need to be physically present. Chris considers skipping this step initially, but then he realizes without a proper bank setup, his business can't scale. So he completes the process. And once his account is active, everything starts to feel real. Now, step 7, understanding taxes and compliance. This is where it gets serious. Azerbaijan offers relatively competitive tax rates, and in some cases, small businesses can benefit from simplified tax regimes. But here's the problem. If you don't understand your obligations, you can make costly mistakes. Chris hires a local accountant, and this is one of the smartest decisions he makes, because compliance is not just about avoiding penalties, it's about building a stable business. Now let's pause for a moment, because you might be thinking, this sounds simple. What's the downside? And that's the right question, because no opportunity is perfect, and this is where it gets real. Language barriers can exist. Local regulations may require guidance, and if your business operates globally, you must understand international tax rules. This is where it gets dangerous. If you assume everything is automatic, you can run into problems. But if you approach it strategically, you unlock real advantages. Now let's go back to Chris. 6 months later, his business looks completely different. He has a structured company, his operations are smoother, and because he entered a less competitive environment, he's able to focus on growth instead of survival. This is the real payoff, not just lower costs, but clarity. Now let's bring everything together. Registering an LLC in Azerbaijan involves choosing a company name, defining your business activity, preparing documents, registering the company, obtaining a tax ID, opening a business bank account, understanding taxes and compliance. Simple steps, but powerful outcomes. And here's the deeper insight most people miss. This isn't just about Azerbaijan, it's about perspective. Because most people chase crowded markets, but smart entrepreneurs, they look for leverage, they look for simplicity, they look for opportunity where others see uncertainty, and that's where real growth happens. Now, here's the question you need to ask yourself. Are you following the crowd or thinking for yourself? Because the answer to that question will shape your future. And if you've stayed with me this far, you're already thinking differently. You're not just chasing easy answers, you're building a smarter approach to business. And that's what separates business-minded people from everyone else. So if this gave you value, if it opened your perspective even a little, make sure to subscribe, because we're diving deeper into global business, smart strategies, and hidden opportunities that most people never even consider. And trust me, the next opportunity you're looking for might be in a place you've never even thought about.